This one is for hard cough. No matter any type of cough, listen to this video. Get this bitter cola. Get miracle leaf. This is miracle leaf. Another thing you need is palm kernel oil and salt. So this is how you are going to use it. If today is your first time to come across my video, follow me. Share my video for others to benefit. My number is always on my bio. Don't call. Drop your message on WhatsApp. Go straight to the point. Arrange your message and drop them. I will attend to you. Just be patient. I will attend to you. So you go get this bitter cola. Get it like 3 to 4 pieces. The fresh one, maybe the one we don't dry. The fresh one where water dey, where you go get juice out of it. Fresh one. So you will pound this bitter cola. Pound am. Anyhow you want do am. So family you get the juice. You no go add water for this bitter cola. Make sure say na in real juice now you squeeze out. Squeeze am out, put for spoon. Get like 2 spoons. Try to get like 2 spoons of the juice. The raw juice from bitter cola, 2 spoons. Get am. If na 10 bitter cola, it go take you to buy to get this 2 spoons. Get am. Make sure you get 2 spoons of this bitter cola juice. Then you put this miracle leaf. You get the miracle leaf. Put am for fire. Make it. If you then put am for fire, may e warm. It go come dey lebe. So I come dey weak. Then you squeeze the. If you begin to squeeze at that time, water will come out. You get that one 2 spoons also. 2 spoons. Then the palm kernel oil. You get am. That black oil, palm kernel oil. You get am 2 spoons for the same mixture. Small pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Put am. Mix am and drink. No matter the type of cough, you will drink am 2 times in a week, and that's all. Bye bye for cough. Share the video for others to benefit.